Hey guys, welcome back to the Shinobi Income YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be talking about what the different asset classes are. So let's just start off right now with cash. So cash is the first asset class, and the only way to really earn money off of cash is to put it into some type of savings account or something. I will have a link down in the description for some of the best banks right now with the highest interest rates and everything, but yeah, cash is the first asset class. Moving on, the next asset class we'll be talking about is fixed income. Fixed income is going to be bonds and different bonds like corporate bonds or treasury bonds, stuff like that. And these will earn you interest, and then you'll also receive like dividend payments for the duration that the bond you have. So I mean, like you can go and see some Vanguard total bond market. I mean, those are some that I have in my portfolio. Moving on, we have equities. Equity is basically getting ownership of a company, so that's going to be, mostly through the stock market. You can, I mean, there's a ton of different things you can invest in through the equities. Um, I mean, there's a link down in the description for SoFi. If you sign up using my link down below, we'll each get $50 for which you can put into any stock you want. So if there's any stock you want, you can put your $50 towards that. I mean, right now I'm investing mostly in ETFs, so like Vanguard ETFs. That's what majority of my portfolio is made up of right now. But if I see some opportunities with some stocks, I'll buy into those also. And moving on, one of my favorite asset classes, which is real estate. Real estate is a really great asset class. There's so many different ways to make money through real estate investing. It's a great opportunity. If you have money and you don't know where to put it, I'd highly recommend putting it into real estate. Only if you know what you're doing, though. Don't go into something that you're not familiar with. But real estate has some great benefits to it. Some tax advantages, appreciation, rental income. I mean, the list goes on. Real estate really is a great asset to own. And if you don't have any in your portfolio right now, I would definitely recommend it. You could get into it through REITs. You might not get as many advantages as owning an individual property, but REITs are another great way of getting into real estate. And you can do that through the stock market too. So if you use SoFi, you could actually use it to get into a REIT. And the last asset class that we're going to be talking about is commodities. So commodities are like gold and silver. I mean, coal's on here, corn, and also like new cryptocurrencies. Those are probably considered. I mean, those are considered commodities. So like Bitcoin, Ethereum, you can buy those, and those would be a fit into the commodity, into the commodity section too. So I mean, there's a lot of great things you can invest in through here. That's basically it for the video today, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you learned something, and make sure to give the video a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel. I'm going to be talking about a lot more investment content, and yeah, I mean, I'm always looking at new opportunities, and I always share them with you guys. So if I see something in the crypto markets or NFTs or something like that, I'm going to share it with you guys on the YouTube channel. So just make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss the video. Thanks for watching. See you next time.